Long day for you.
Yes. I understood that I'm sleeping. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, guys. So let us
Yes, sir.
see the application. Okay. So this is Naukri registration page. What is Naukri? Naukri is one of the job search application in India.
Mhm,
This is India's
mhm,
#1 job site.
mhm.
What they
Okay.
are promoting, that is actually waste. It is not India's #1.
Mhm.
Maybe if you consider 10 applications, it maybe comes under 8 or 9.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Because you need to take a payment, I mean, pro version, then they might help.
Mhm.
That is the thing. Okay, let us leave that. Full name. You can see there is a asterisk symbol. Okay,
Yes.
asterisk. This is not a star. It is asterisk. Okay.
Mhm.
What is your name is a placeholder.
Mhm.
This is a text box
Mhm.
or text field. Okay. This is a
Mhm.
error message. It is in
Mhm.
red color. No.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. See,
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
red color.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let us know what is the requirement. I will just enter one. Numeric and special characters other than dot and what is this? Comma,
Dom.
upper comma. What is that?
Mhm.
This
Apostrophe.
apostrophe. Okay.
Mhm.
So that only, then space. Okay, only these two are allowed. Appa. He is telling
Mhm.
that only these two special characters are allowed. Apart from that, numbers are
Mhm.
not. So I got a
Mhm.
requirement that
Mhm.
full name text field should accept
Mhm.
only numeric and special characters other than, okay, only accept alphabets, because
Mhm.
numbers and special characters is not accepted apart
Mhm.
from dot and apostrophe. Same. Next requirement says that full name text field can accept or should accept dot and apostrophe. This
Mhm.
is my requirement. Okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
And one more requirement says when user enter the invalid data. Invalid data means what? One is a invalid now.
Mhm.
Proper error message should be displayed.
Mhm.
This is also requirement. Got it? So
Yes, sir.
if user enters something, no, something which
Mhm.
is not according to the requirement, so it
Mhm.
will show the error message. This is also a requirement.
Mhm.
Getting? Rina, are you getting?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So now
Mhm.
let me enter N.
Mhm.
Email ID N at the rate
Mhm.
of gmail.com. An
Mhm.
account with this mail ID is already exists. It means somebody is already created.
Okay.
Mhm.
So it will go and fetch the database whether this particular mail ID is there. Yes, it is there.
Mhm.
So it is showing me error message. And also it
Mhm.
is suggesting me that go for login directly why you are again registering,
Mhm.
because you are already registered.
Registered.
And
Mhm.
yes, it is taking, see, you are getting
Yeah.
a tick mark.
Mhm.
So now let me tell only N I will enter, guys. At the rate of
Mhm.
Gmail, I'm not entered. See here, please enter a valid email ID. So
Mhm.
what I will do
Mhm.
at the rate 123.com.
Mhm.
We
Mhm.
will send relevant job and updates to this mail ID. It
This
means
is
it is accepting. It
Mhm.
means
Yeah.
at the rate is and one at the rate something should be there, not always
Mhm.
Gmail. At
Right.
the
Mhm.
rate Gmail, it is not accepting. At the rate something.
Mhm.
Got it?
Right. Right.
Mhm.
If I try to enter two at the rates, no, it is
Mhm.
not accepting.
Mhm.
If I enter two dots, no, it is not accepting. If I enter something else, special
Mhm.
characters, it is accepting. It means a mail ID should not consist of two at the rates and two dots or
Mhm.
Okay.
consecutive dots, I can tell. Not two dots. Two dots may accept. See, two dots. No, no, no.
Mhm.
It's not accepting two dots also.
Mhm.
Okay. So you are
Mhm.
understanding, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Please enter a valid mail ID. Why mail ID? At the rate of something.com should be there, no? So
Mhm.
DD. So D dot D.
Mhm.
So see, understood, a consecutive dots is there means it will not accept. But if the dot is in between the words, it can accept. Sir, how can you tell, sir, that much assurance you have? I mean, that much clarity you got means we have already tested few text fields like this, okay, in the company, whether it will work or not. Always at the rate something dot something should be there, not always com. Again, you enter Google, it will accept. Getting up. So
Yes,
what
sir.
I'm telling is at the rate and dot will be there. No, that is a standard format. So always email ID text field should consist of a valid mail ID and should consist of a standard mail ID format. Mail ID format at the rate dot Google something. Got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
That is the requirement. So password I will enter, see, minimum 6 characters. I got a range minimum. It should accept minimum 6. See? Yeah, understanding? The range, it is starting from how much? 6. So let me check how many. Oh, see, it is stopped. I'm typing, but still it is not taking. Let me take, this is around, how many are there? Oh. Hey, boss, what happened? Not copied. Huh? Okay. Oh, password text field will never accept copy paste also, guys. Okay, that is also characteristic of password. Okay, password
Correct.
you can't copy paste. For
Right.
example, what I'll do, copy paste will accept. From here, copying it will not accept, I think. Now let me take this as a copy. Copied. See, this is what I'm checking the behavior. Understood?
Right.
This is trial and error I'm doing. So yeah, it is coming. So what happened previously? Okay, let me try once again.
I think you can copy email ID, not password, I guess.
No. I mean, if I close and copy, no, it
Yeah,
is not taking.
true.
This is testing. See. Now let me
Yeah.
see whatever I entered. Copy. So this and all will be mentioned in the what requirement. Got it? So it is having
Yes, sir.
42. So you can see the count. 40. See here? 40
Yes, sir.
characters. So the range is from 6 to 40. This is how to find the requirement. Understood, guys?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is, and Naukri is present in India, so plus 91 is mandatory. There is a Naukri Golf in a United Arab Emirates, okay, in Abu Dhabi or Dubai. If you take there it is not it will not be there. Plus 91 is Indian code. There something like plus 971 or something is there. That is not Naukri. That is naukrigolf.com. Okay.
Okay.
You need to enter their respective number, and your USA is having some code. That code you need to enter.
Right.
So you need to enter all possible inputs, whichever you are feeling it is correct, or however the application is working. Based on that only, you can find the requirement. So I will give you one task that fetch the requirement. Okay. Fetch a requirement of any of the sign up pages.
Okay, sir.
And it should be unique. Both should not do same thing. Okay. Sign up pages, if you take, this is a registration pages. Like I have taken some, which one? Naukri, no? You can
Yes,
check
sir.
any job portal applications, no?
Okay,
You can
sir.
get so many text fields. You can go with it, or Facebook, or any type of application. You check some 4 to 5 text fields should be there, and some drop down should be there. That type of thing you select.
Okay,
And
sir.
later you start fetching the requirement. How to fetch the requirement? Today morning I have given you class 1.1,
Yes, sir.
1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, like that I
Yeah.
have given. No.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you also plan. Let me take one of the text field is there. The name of the text field is name only. Name. So what you need to do? Component name. What is the component name?
Text field.
Component name is name text field. Only text field. No.
Mm-hmm. Oh, name text field. Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like that. So
Okay.
you need to write like this. Later you need to write 1.1. If it is asterisk symbol, it is having asterisk symbol, then it is asterisk. RICKS, I think. Asterisk. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Check the spelling. It is not a asterisk. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Asterisk or something is there.
Yes.
It is a mandatory. Why mandatory?
Mm-hmm.
Why it is mandatory?
Yeah.
Why it is mandatory
Because it
means,
has a
see guys,
star.
if no, some
Mhm.
applications will not be having stars. Without
Oh.
entering any data, you can't go for the next text field.
Oh.
Understood?
Okay.
See here,
Okay.
if I enter something,
Uh-huh.
password is also okay. Now,
Mhm.
okay, I entered mobile number also. See, button is not activated.
Mhm.
Assume I will give something. Okay. Is there any? Oh, boss. 1 second. Please, recruiter will contact. Okay, fine. Okay. 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 What is going on? Where it is not accepting? Maybe password. Let me make a little bit strong. Google @123. Okay. Okay. I think I need to go with the terms and conditions. There will be some checkboxes. Don't know. Nothing like that. I think, yeah. See, this is mandatory again. Work status, they have given asterisk, but I'm not observed that. Got it, guys? So only
Right.
it is showing it is that button is not enabled.
Mhm.
I'm a fresher, means got it? So if
Yes,
you are
sir.
not entered any mandatory text fields like this, I'm
Mhm.
giving examples here, button will be
Mhm.
disabled. If you enter
Correct.
something, no. So this is what I'm doing, trial and error.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? See, I am
Yes,
not
sir.
Yeah.
prepared anything. I'm not prepared for your
Mhm.
class. Okay, I need to
Mhm.
teach like this. No, this is blindly coming and I'm teaching because you need to
Mhm.
feel that how I am searching, what I am doing, where
Right.
I am
Mhm.
lagging, what I am doing.
Mhm.
Right.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
resume is not a mandatory again. See, button is
Mhm.
enabled. Few
Mhm.
applications resume will be mandatory. That time this will be not enabled.
Mhm.
So
Right.
like that, enter the possible inputs. Okay,
Mhm.
and fetch the
Yes, sir.
Okay.
requirement, and that will be your assignment.
Okay,
Okay.
Got
sir.
it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now let us go to the concept. This and all is my taking my time. Okay, fine. Okay, now let us go with one example. Okay, example, what example? Requirement, how to fetch is done. Okay, there are some rules.
Mhm.
RULES to do the functional testing.
Mhm.
What are the rules of doing functional testing means? Always. Rules
Mhm.
means there is a rule, you need to follow that. Why, sir? Rule is
Mhm.
rule, you need to follow. Why are you questioning your US government? Why you are doing something and all? No, that is a rule you need to follow.
Mhm.
Understood? Huh?
Mhm. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Always enter the or always test the
Mhm.
software.
Mhm.
Your software means what? Text field or component.
Mhm.
Let me take an example. Okay,
Mhm. Mhm.
because I'm doing components testing. No, so
Mhm.
components
Mhm.
by entering the
Mm.
positive inputs.
Mm.
First, always you should start entering the positive inputs,
Mm-hmm.
and later
Mm.
you can enter or you can test with
Mm-hmm.
negative inputs.
Mm.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
It says what positive inputs means according to the requirement, first test, later go with the against the
Negative
requirement.
input. Yeah.
Negative.
Oh, got it?
Yes,
Next,
sir.
second rule
Yeah.
says that
Mm.
while you are entering the positive inputs,
Mm-hmm.
if you find any defects, it means what? The positive values only it is not taking.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. While doing positive testing or you are entering the positive inputs, if you find any
Mm-hmm.
defects,
Mm-hmm.
what you need to do? You need to stop doing testing.
Mm.
Okay. And you
Mm-hmm.
need to communicate to the developers.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What you need to do, you need while doing the positive inputs, while you are entering positive inputs and testing the software, if you find
Mm-hmm.
any defects, what you need to do?
Stop
You
the
need to
testing.
stop doing testing because it is
We have
already defect. You found already
right.
defect.
Yes,
Communicate to developer.
developer. Yes.
Developer. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is the rule.
Mm.
Next, I can tell one more rule. While you are doing positive testing is completed.
Mm.
Completed.
Mm.
Then only you can do negative.
Mm-hmm.
Then only you can do negative testing.
Negative. Mm.
And while doing negative testing, if you find any defect,
Mm.
find
Yes,
any
sir.
defect,
Mm.
it means it is accepting the negative inputs also. Like it should
Mm.
accept 10 to 15, let me take, but it is
Mm.
accepting 9 also. Don't
Mm-hmm.
stop doing testing.
Mm-hmm.
Continue. Enter
Okay.
more negative inputs
Mm.
and find more defects. Got it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
At one shot send to one shot communicate to developers.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
While doing positive testing, if you are finding the defects, communicate directly. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Don't waste your time. Directly communicate.
Mm-hmm.
But while doing negative testing, if you find any defects, what you need to do? It's okay.
Yes,
You
sir.
just note down as a
Mm.
notepad. Okay.
Yes,
Somewhere
sir.
here
Mm.
noting 1, 2, 3 like that.
Mm.
So note down
Mm-hmm.
all the defects at one shot.
Mm-hmm.
Later communicate to the developer.
Developer. Mm.
As a test engineer,
Mm.
you should
Mm.
not
Mm.
assume your own
Mm-hmm.
requirement.
Mm.
It means what? Assume means what? Assumption. There is
Assumption.
something.
Thought.
As
Mm-hmm.
I assumed. Let me take an. Hey boss, why I'm entering all the values? No, I am not seeing this one only. What is this?
Mm-hmm.
Work status. I'm not observing that. I'm just checking. Why software only developed wrong?
Mm.
What kachada thing is happened with my application? Later I observed,
Mm.
oh, there is one more feature that I need to select. After selecting that, it is enabled.
Mm.
Assume I am not selected as a test engineer. I'm not selected this.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? It is
Yeah.
not
Yes, sir.
enabled now. Let me
Yeah.
reload. Let me
Okay.
reload. Okay. So name is name. Tab name @ name.com. Okay. Password name @123. Mobile number 6767876787. Okay. See here. Now I entered this value. It is showing right. Already
Right.
exists. See, Kachada fellows
Mm-hmm.
already wasted mail IDs already. Okay. So something mail
Mm.
ID is there. Okay, this is also, I'm thinking, see, whatever the values I entered, all are accepting, but still why the register button, okay, I'm not click. Hey, why it is not working? So what I'll do, I will take the screenshot like this. Windows print screen. Ah, you got it? That is the screenshot.
Yeah.
I will communicate to developer.
Mm-hmm.
Simply, if I communicate, this is positive values only entered, I communicated to developer.
Mm-hmm.
Developer will call for a meeting and he will tell that whatever the test engineer you are hired is a kachada fellow, he don't know anything.
Mm-hmm.
Why is telling that means because I am not studied the requirement properly. The requirement is telling me that, hey boss, you need to check work status also. Getting? As a test engineer, what I have done, I am just assumed that, one second, where is insert image? Shit, image, okay, tool shapes. Okay, leave. I will explain here only. I assumed something that I entered all the values properly. And I'm clicking on register now button where developer is developed properly, but I did not see this particular requirement that I need to select some option, these two options, any of the one option, but I have not selected, but still I communicated to developer. Developer will not, see, developer will be always very busy. He's not like a testing team, okay? You can't simply every time notify developer, you are not done this, developer, you are not done this. You can't every time go and pull the leg of the developer. Developer will tell this test engineer is don't know anything. He don't know how to test the software. He is not aware of the mandatory text field only. I mentioned it as a asterisk symbol also, but he is not selected this option. So I think his performance is not good.
Oh.
So that will be considered when you want to get the hike or when you want to whatever the I can tell, if they want to change you from one project to another project, they want to upgrade you for the future projects. That time they will feel that you are not having the ability because you are making a simple mistakes. So as a
Right.
test engineer, you should not assume anything. There is no requirement. Let us take an example here itself. Okay. The name text field, he is not given me any requirement. Okay. Let us assume I entered one no numeric and special characters other than dot or and whatever this is. What is this?
Apostrophe, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Apostrophe is not mentioned in the requirement. And what it will accept also, it is not mentioned. Whether it will accept the numbers or it will accept the alphabets or it will accept the special, not mentioned anything. Blindly, they have developed one of the text field and they have given for the test engineers, and we are looking into the requirement, and the requirement is not saying anything. Only full name text field they have mentioned. What I will do, I will enter everything. Everything is accepting. So as a test engineer, you should have some brain, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. Anybody will keep the name as 1, 2, 3, 4? Or anybody will keep the name at the rate, dollars, percentage, like this. So as a test engineer, I will not assume something. I will just escalate this matter to business analyst. Why business analyst? Why? Because business analyst is the person who collected the requirement where is not collected the proper requirement for the username.
Oh.
Got it? So
Yes, sir.
always, if you find anything when you are not understanding the requirement, when you are analyzing the requirement, if you are finding some difficulties or you are misunderstanding the requirement, don't confuse yourself. You can ask that to your seniors or to your business analyst. You should have complete clarity what you are doing. It is like a operation. Testing is like a operation. Okay, sir, kidney. I am getting kidney pain, sir. Means will you directly go and do operation, kidney operation?
No, sir.
No, right? You will
Hmm.
analyze later. You will understand what is the requirement, what I need to do, kidney stone happened, or what happened. So what you will do
Hmm.
later, you will give some precaution for that, and you will do operation. It means you have analyzed everything. Like that, as a
Hmm.
test engineer, software is there means you need to analyze. Okay, why
Hmm.
this username they have given? Name means what?
Hmm.
Alphabets. Like
Hmm.
that, you need to analyze, but you should not assume again. Again, you should communicate to the business analyst. He will
Business
give you a
analyst.
clarity, or your
Hmm.
seniors, test lead, development lead, anyone you can ask. Okay, and rule
Hmm.
number 5 is there. Always
Hmm.
you should do optimizer testing.
Hmm.
So what do you mean by optimizer testing?
Hmm. Hmm.
Huh? What do you mean by optimizer testing? Optimizer means what? Prerna is there
Hmm.
and son is there and
Hmm.
husband is there.
Hmm.
She need to prepare 3 chapati for herself, 1 chapati
Hmm.
for kid, and 3 chapati
Hmm.
for husband.
Hmm.
Optimized.
Okay.
3 plus 1 plus 3. How many? 7.
7.
So
7.
Hmm.
this is a optimized. Properly how much is required, that much. Assume if
Okay.
she prepared only 4,
Hmm.
what will happen? Either she will eat 1 or he will
Hmm.
eat 2 or
Hmm.
baby will eat half.
Hmm.
Getting a
Yes,
so
sir.
this
Yeah.
is what we'll call it as a under testing.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
3 members are there. She's prepared 100 chapatis.
Hmm.
Understood?
Yes,
Over
sir.
testing.
Oh, okay.
Optimizer means what? How much is required, that much only you are prepared. That is
Mm-hmm.
optimized. How
Optimized.
much is required less than that you have prepared? That is under.
Mm-hmm.
How much
Mm-hmm.
is required more than 10 times you have prepared? Not
Mm-hmm.
10 times, I'm telling more than that you have prepared. That is
Mm-hmm.
over
Oh,
testing. So
oh.
always you should do the optimized
Mm-hmm.
testing.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Okay.
So now
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
let us see
Yeah.
the rules. Let us see the rules, what and all there.
Mm.
Rule number 1 says that, okay, let me copy this. Okay.
Mm.
So rule number 1 says first always we should do the positive functional testing.
Hmm.
Yes or no? Na?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Then we should do negative functional testing.
Hmm.
Rule number 1 you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If the application is working for positive data, it means positive
Hmm.
inputs you entered, it is working. Then
Hmm.
only test for the invalid data.
Hmm.
Got it? Then only go
Yes.
for negative. It means
Yes.
what? When the application is not working for positive, then don't go for negative.
Hmm.
Suppose if the application is not working for valid data, then
Mm-hmm.
don't test for invalid data.
Hmm.
Okay.
If the application is not working for one
Mm-hmm.
of the invalid data, then don't stop testing. One of the negative value you entered, it is
Negative.
not working, but
Hmm.
it's okay. Don't stop
Hmm.
testing, continue and test for some more invalid data and try to find more number of defects.
Hmm.
This is what I said. As a test engineer, you are not supposed to assume
Hmm.
or propose any requirements. This is very
Hmm.
important. In
Hmm.
between, I will ask some questions. That time you guys will tell by
Hmm.
your assumption. That time I will
Hmm.
catch you guys, okay?
Hmm.
And I'm
Okay.
telling you, this is a rule. If you are having any doubts or confusion, what is it? Or clarifications, talk to
Clarification.
Hmm.
business analyst,
Hmm.
okay? Or
Hmm.
seniors. Like senior
Hmm.
means test lead or development lead, somebody,
Hmm. Hmm.
okay?
Hmm.
And get your doubts cleared.
Clear. Hmm.
Always we should do optimizer testing.
Hmm. Hmm.
Got it? These are
Yes,
the
sir.
rules. These are the
Yeah.
Yes. Rules.
rules. Okay.
Yeah.
Now take
Yes.
the screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
If you don't mind, sir, can you the number 5? I
Ah,
cannot see because of the
not
black
see.
text box. Rule number 5.
Okay. 1 second. Now.
Can you see that, Prerna?
Yes, I can. Yeah, Rita, I can see.
Okay.
Are you using laptop or in a mobile you
No,
are
no, I'm
attending the class?
using laptop, but what's going on is
Huh.
there is a text box, the black one.
No?
Yes, sir. That works better, sir. Yeah. Now it is
Yeah, this
more
is
clear.
better.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, okay.
The black
So,
text box is hiding number 5. That's all.
okay,
Hmm.
okay.
I just send you the picture.
What is this? Mhm. Okay. Oh, something is there, no? Development leaves somebody okay, the screenshot. What is this?
The black text box.
Yeah, that is generated in your mobile, not in your laptop, not in my laptop. You should move your cursor somewhere else, I think.
I just did.
Okay, no worries. Now I think it
No,
is done, no?
it's okay. I will figure out
Why
later.
figure out? Tai, 1 second, wait. Now,
Yeah,
now
I
it
can
is
see.
visible. Take.
Thank you.
Hey, 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 what is this? Now let us go with the types now, okay?
Yes, sir.
You already understood types. Let me give one example. Same example, 3 ways, okay?
Hmm.
1, 2, 3.
Hmm.
India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, divided.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
This is not a post box. Okay, pause. Okay. Okay. So now see, the requirement says for 3 of them, okay, it
Yes,
should
sir.
accept, requirement says that it should accept 10 to 50,000.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. This is the requirement, okay?
Hmm.
It is saying that 10 to 50,000 it should accept. So what I'll do, amount text field, you know what I'll do, I'll enter 10. According to the requirement, we need to test the software. My rule number 1 says
Mhm.
I will enter 10. I will enter 50.
Mhm.
I will enter 100. Okay.
Mhm.
I will
Okay.
enter 150.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Next, I will enter 700.
Mhm.
7,000 I entered. Okay, 700. 7,000. 17,000.
Mhm.
48,000. 50,000.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what I will do, I will enter negative values. It means 10. Okay.
Okay.
20/2. Okay.
Okay.
Next, $20 I want to send. So $20. FIFTY 50 rupees. Or I need to send less than 100 rupees. Something. Okay. Or I am just entering something. Special characters, some numericals I'm entering, some whatever the alphabets I'm entering, got it? Something and all I'm entering, or mixture combination of special characters, alphabets, and numbers I'm entering, got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
This and all I'm entering. So when I'm entering this data, it is accepting 150, 7,000, 700, 7,000, 17,000, 48,000, 50,000, accepting, fine. And it is not accepting TN. It is not accepting 20/2 or $20, 50, less than 100. It is not accepting. Got it?
Right.
So this is whatever the inputs I entered. This is the inputs I entered. And okay, I tested for 10 also, 50 also, 100 also, right? So this type of data I have entered, and this testing, what I will call it as a, this testing, what I will call it as a over testing. Sir, why it is called as over testing? Can you explain, sir? Okay. Why it is over testing means, see, whenever you enter some data, guys, always keep in your mind, when you are entering some data, your computer will always take it in a language called as binary language. Binary language means what? 1001 or one, there is no two. 1001, 10, like that. Only 10s will be there. There is no, if you enter 10 now, this 10, it will take 01. 50 means 10.
Okay.
Getting? So
Yes,
if I enter two-digit value, if I enter two-digit value, 10 or 01 code will work. If I enter three-digit value, 101 might work. If I enter three-digit value, 0101 may be there. It means
Okay.
what I'm telling is, one second. Okay. What I'm telling is 0101. Okay. Four digits if I'm entering means 10101, like that. Five digits if I am entering. No two again. Okay.
Okay.
My theory says, or my computer will think from whether digits it is accepting or not. I need to check for digit. So I check it for 10 means two digit only, 10. Got it?
Right.
So the
Right.
code is working for digit now.
Okay.
10. 10 it is accepting means 10 code is working or 01 code is working. Any
Yes,
values you enter, it will take 1001 or 0011, like that.
correct. Correct. Yes, sir.
No need of testing for 50 again,
Got it, sir.
Right. Right.
because it is a
Two
already
digit.
taken. Two digit one wala is completed.
Yes.
Next,
Completed.
three digit 100 I entered, accepted. It means 3-digit successfully completed.
Okay.
No need of checking for 150.
Correct.
No need of checking for 7,000, 700 because 3-digit only.
Is
Got it?
taken. Yes, sir.
Next, 4-digit. Only 7,000 is there. Good. I have done the here. The testing is good. Next, 5-digit.
Okay.
17,000, 48,000, 50,000. It means 50,000 is okay, like boundary. I can check.
Okay.
48 and 17 is not required. Here, I entered the data which does not make any sense. This data is not making any sense. It means you are not aware of what you are entering. Not
Correct.
making any sense for me. Okay. So what is the drawback of this is time taken will be more.
More. Yes, sir.
Understood? Time
Yes, sir.
taken will be very much more because I'm entering many values. See, again, here see, if I enter 10, this is a number. This is a alphabet. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So one alphabet I am tested, again alphabet I am tested, again alphabet I am tested. Anything you enter, it is taking 1001 format. No,
Yes.
you don't know what you are entering. 10 means it is not understanding 10.
Yes.
20 by 2 means it is not understanding. 20 by 2 means it is understanding 1001. 4 digits it is taking. But since the requirement says that it should accept only the numericals, somewhere it should show error. So for all these things, it should show error.
Correct.
So
Yes, sir.
here this one is fine, but why this one? Why this one? And special character one I have tested, that is what whatever the forward slash, but why dollar again? Got it?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Understanding. So
Yeah.
here what I have done over testing. Got it? So
Yes,
sir, what is the definition of over testing, sir? Can you tell?
What was your question, sir? What is?
Over testing.
Over testing means you are doing testing more than expected.
Yes. So can I tell testing each and every component of an application by entering the data which does not make any sense?
Okay.
Or by entering the data or by entering the same data in a different ways. Same data, no 1050. Same data in different ways. Different ways means this is 10, but this is 50. So can I tell testing each and every components or why? What is each and every components means? There will be a from account number, later to account number, later amount, later transfer button will be there, later cancel button will be there. So from account number means my account number. I am taken amount text field so you can understand easily.
Right.
To account number means the account number which I am transferring to the amount. I mean my friend account number or somebody's account number. From account number and to account number should be same, never. Because
No.
I'm transferring from A account to B account. So
Yeah.
the requirement says that from account number should not be same as a to account number. To account number should not be same as a from account number. From account number should be a account number which is generated by the bank manager. Always the accounts will be generated by bank manager. Somebody else is generated some account means that is not a bank account. That is not a valid account. That is an invalid account.
Okay.
So you should keep it all the considerations. That requirements we can talk about later. Later I came up with the amount. Amount requirements is 10 to 50,000 rupees or dollar something you take.
Okay.
So 10 to 50,000. What is this? This is positive integers. Understood, guys?
Yeah.
Why positive integers? Integers can be positive or integers can be negative. So you should take it as a positive always. Positive integers means plus. Sir, then what will be 0? 0 is not a positive or negative. Neither be positive nor be negative. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So positive integers means these things. So I entered positive integers. It means I am testing each and every component. This component is tested, this component. Now I came for the amount transfer, testing each and every component of an application by entering the data which does not make any sense is called as over testing.
Okay.
Now what I will do, I'm a lazy test engineer. I will enter 10, accepting 500, accepting 50,000, accepting, or 50,000, accepting. Lazy boy. I will check for one special character. I will check for one something numbers or whatever the alphabets, and I will enter some combination of special characters with the alphabets. Okay. I will tell testing is pass. It is accepting. It is accepting. Let us consider. What you have done as a test engineer, you have tested and you told that the quality of amount transfer amount field is good. I released the software to the customers. It means customers are start using the software. It means you and me start using the application. There is an amount transfer. My friend is in a hospital. You want emergency 5,000 rupees. What I will do, I will go to amount transfer. I will enter from account number, my account number to account number, my friend account number, 5,000. I entered, I clicked on transfer button. Immediately, I got some error message. Emergency, you want the money. I'm trying to transfer 5,000 and I have only 5,000 in my account. Now see, I'm trying to send 1,000 rupees. It is not going. 2,000, it's not going. 3,000, not going. I'm transferring 500 rupees. It is going. I'm transferring 999. It is going. But if I enter 4-digit number, it is not going. So if you see here, 2-digit and 3-digit, I am tested, but 4-digit I am not tested. 5-digit also tested. So as a test engineer, always you should enter the sufficient data.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes,
Here
sir.
you found that you are adding a data which does not make any sense. It means you are added more number of positive inputs and more number of negative inputs.
Yes, sir.
Both you entered more. Here I did not miss any defect. Got it? Still the quality of the software is very good. If you do over testing, just time is waste. That's it. But here what happened? That customer not able to transfer the money, sufficient money to his friend. He is died in the accident. So there is a God. He is checking your karmas. How many you have done? He will go to Naraka instead of Swarga. Why? Because you have done one murder here. His friend murder. You are not aware of this. You will
Yes,
go
sir.
up in a positivity. Hey boss, till today I have done all good things only. I feeded animals. I am take care of my family. Everything I have done. I worked like a donkey each and every day. But still, why I came for the hell? Let me go to the who is that? Who is present in hell? Yamadharma Raja. I will ask Yama
Yes, sir.
what happened. Yamadharma will tell you that, hey boss, you have developed an application where you have not tested properly.
Yes, sir.
Got it? You have not
Yes.
tested the software properly. Since because of that, one of the user is not able to send the money and his friend is died because of you. That complete karma is came to you now. And that fellow is here only. He may call that fellow also.
Yes,
And
sir.
he will tell beat that particular fellow because he's not tested the software. Because of that, you died. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So as a test engineer, you should not miss any defect. Now got it?
Yes,
Because
sir.
each and every defect will affect the customer.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Assume he is transferred amount by 520 times 5,000 is done. Later
Hmm.
he reported to company for the software
Hmm.
company. What he can do,
Hmm.
he can report, hey, this software is Kachada software.
Hmm.
I'm trying to transfer 5,000 amount. It's not working.
Hmm.
In a company, again, they will do something called as a root cause analysis.
Oh.
Okay.
Root cause analysis means they will check who
Hmm.
collected the requirement, business analyst.
Oh
Did the
my.
business analyst mention the requirement for this? Yes, requirement collection is done. Design. Who is done
Hmm.
design? Okay, design point of developer. What is done?
Oh.
Developer is okay. Developer made a mistake. Developer born to make a mistake. Now, who is the
Yes.
test engineer? Test engineer is Prerna. Got it. Test engineer is Prerna. What happened? Now they will check. Prerna is newly hired test engineer, right? Yes.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. They will call Prerna. Prerna, come here.
Hmm.
Just a minute, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
ಪ್ರೇರಣ ಹಿಂಗೋಗಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ರಾನ ಹಲೋ
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
ಯಾ ಸೊ Prerna, right? Yes,
Yes.
Prerna, they will
Yes,
call.
sir.
Prerna got a job and she is working. They have done root cause analysis. Root cause analysis is a big problem now. In production,
Hmm.
they found a defect. Full seriousness is going in a company. Everyone
Hmm.
is scolding each other. Later, that every arrow is came to the our Prerna.
As engineer.
Prerna will tell, hey boss, I am tested properly. Okay, you have tested. No,
Hmm.
show
Hmm.
me the scenarios. How many scenarios you have written?
Hmm.
Everything is
Oh.
documented. Okay.
Hmm.
So scenarios show me. You will
Hmm.
tell, you will show scenarios. It is for 2 digit is there, three is
Hmm.
there, five is there, 4 digit is not there.
Hmm.
So who made a mistake here? Prerana made a mistake here. Scenarios
Hmm.
missing.
Yes,
So
sir.
what they will
Okay.
do? Prerana,
Hmm.
this is your last chance.
Oh my
One
God.
more time. Assume if she has done some mistakes previously.
Hmm.
Also, already she is done.
Hmm.
By looking into this, they will tell, please
Hmm.
serve the notice period and
Hmm.
please look for a new job.
Hmm.
Got it? It means what?
Yes,
They
sir.
are they are firing.
Firing me.
Got it?
Hmm.
So
Yes,
you
sir.
should not be a lazy.
Hmm.
You should enter the sufficient set of data.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
this is what we will call it as a under testing.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Testing each and every component of an application by entering the data, by
Mm-hmm.
entering insufficient set of data.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, by
Mm-hmm.
entering the insufficient set of data is called as
Uh,
under testing.
the testing.
Got it?
Yes,
Next,
sir.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
am a test engineer. Now see beautifully what I will do.
Mm-hmm.
Now what I'll do, I will enter 10, I will enter 100 or 250, I will enter 3,599. Anything you enter, no?
Oh, yes, sir.
Or 50,000 also I will check. Why 50,000? I will tell you later. Okay,
Yes, sir.
got it?
Hmm.
Now what I'll do, I will enter 9 and I will
Hmm.
check as a negative.
Hmm.
Getting? And
Yes,
I
sir.
will enter 50,001.
Hmm.
I will check.
Hmm.
Later I will enter numbers. Numbers is working, no? I will
Hmm.
enter special characters. I will check.
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
will enter alphabets and I will check.
Hmm.
I will enter combination of number what are special characters and what is this? Alphabets I will check. I will
Alphabet.
check numerical mixer of special characters I will check. Some
Hmm.
4 5 combinations I will check.
Hmm.
Or 5 6 or 7 8 combinations I have checked.
Hmm. Hmm.
I'm telling that, hey boss, it is very, very beautifully developed. Testing is pass.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, I entered both the positive values
Mm-hmm.
and also the negative
Negative
values
values.
in a proper way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and I
Mm-hmm.
released the software. Customer is not facing any issue.
Mm-hmm.
Why not facing any issue means I know the testing procedure, how I need to test, and I have tested that according to that particular standard format.
Mm-hmm.
So there is no defects now.
Mm-hmm.
There is no defects means my quality of testing is good. So they fired the Prerna and they given hike for me in the same company. So in a company, if somebody is getting a hike means either he is
Mm-hmm.
doing his job properly or he is putting a big bucket to his manager. There
Oh.
are two types of people
Mm-hmm.
getting.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So I
Yes.
will always go with a hard work
Mm-hmm.
or smart work, something. Few
Mm-hmm.
people are there, they will go with this procedure.
Right.
Bucket
Mm-hmm.
means you understood, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
In America also bucket they will call a.
Bucket, sir. I haven't heard it in the professional world.
Okay. In
Not
India they
sure.
will call.
Mm-hmm.
Bucket means what? Means praising a manager
Okay.
and licking his foot. That type of
Mm.
people, not working.
Oh,
Got it?
okay.
Huh? Yeah.
Yes,
Butter
sir. Yes.
supply.
Mm,
Butter
mm.
supply.
Yeah. Water
Mm-hmm.
supply. Yeah. Okay. That type
Mm-hmm.
of fellows.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is what we will call it as a optimizer testing.
Sir, a question, sir.
Hmm.
So, sir, when we are entering the special character, suppose if you
Hmm.
enter a two-digit number, so
Hmm.
the binary language of the computer will take 1 0 or 0 1. I understood
Yes.
that.
Yes.
But if sir, I enter for the same binary language, if I'm entering, let's say, a dollar exclamation,
Yes.
so won't the computer understand it still as a zero
No.
one or 1 0? No.
No.
Okay.
Why? Because while I'm
Mm-hmm.
writing the code, I told you that
Mm-hmm.
where can I find? Okay, here I find some space. I will explain. You see, when I
Mm-hmm.
have written some coding, that time I
Mm-hmm.
mentioned int x. Can you
Oh,
remember?
correct, correct, correct. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yeah, yeah,
Int
yeah,
x means I
yeah.
am
Mm-hmm.
entering integers for the x value.
Correct.
Now
Yes. Yeah.
x value will take an integer and I will give some limit in the next line.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, some looping
Yes.
statement for
Mm-hmm.
loop int
Mm-hmm.
valid from greater than
Mm-hmm.
or equal to 10, less than or equal
Yes.
to 50,000.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Got it? This is
Yes.
completely coding. And
Correct.
I am not mentioned here string.
Uh-huh.
String
Okay.
means you can enter anything.
Oh.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Got
Yeah.
it. Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So developers should write code that only we are checking. This only will
Mm.
check, but this is
Mm-hmm.
from testing development point of view. In the
Mm-hmm.
future or in your Java, or if you go with the Java course or something
Mm-hmm.
no, basic,
Mm-hmm.
or you just go with any SQL, you just go through some
Mm-hmm.
YouTube videos SQL, you can
Mm-hmm.
understand where there is some constraints and all. See, whatever the
Mm-hmm.
data will enter, no, it will go and store
Mm-hmm.
in the database in the form of
Mm-hmm.
table.
Mm-hmm.
If you given a
Mm-hmm.
constraint for this
Mm-hmm.
as a integer, you need to enter integer values only,
Mm-hmm.
or else the data will not go and store here.
Mm.
Here,
Okay, sir.
what
Yes,
is
sir.
happening here? Something. Let me
Mm-hmm.
take an example. If
Mm-hmm.
I'm entering something, no, see here, one,
Mm-hmm.
two, three, four, five, something. If
Mm-hmm.
I enter and if I try to submit this data will
Mm-hmm.
not go and store in my database. Why?
Mm.
Because this database they have developed that it should accept only the alphabets,
Correct.
that
Got
particular
it,
row.
sir.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
It means you need to keep water inside the water bottle,
Hmm. Hmm.
alcohol into the what? That glass bottle.
Hmm. 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 Yes, sir.
Sometimes
Got
you
it.
can keep water into the glass bottle also. It is water
Hmm.
specialty, not alcohol specialty.
Hmm. 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 Yes, sir.
Understood, huh?
Yeah.
Yes,
Like
sir.
that,
Got it.
sorting the things at the proper places.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that is
Got it.
what coding will do, and your database will do.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is what we'll call it as a optimized testing.
Hmm.
Testing each and every component of an application by entering the sufficient set of data.
Hmm.
It is sufficient set, it is insufficient set,
Hmm.
it is more than enough, that many data. Okay,
Hmm.
more
Yes,
than
sir.
Right.
sufficient set of data. Okay, now just write
Yes.
down one
Hmm.
heading: types of types of
Types of
functional testing.
functional testing.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
over testing.
Over.
First one, over testing,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
under testing,
Hmm.
and optimizer testing.
Yes, sir.
Now take this screenshot.
Hmm.
Done, na?
Not sir. Just a minute. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay.
Yeah, it's done.
So now let me give you the definitions. Copy. Shall I remove?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
So testing each and every component of an application by entering the inputs which does not make any
Sense.
sense
Hmm.
is called as over testing, or testing each and every component of an application by entering the same input in different ways. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that is what we'll call it as a over testing. Drawbacks is time taken will be more.
Hmm.
Next, under testing. So, sir, what do you mean by under testing? I understood, but what are the drawbacks of under testing, sir? Nobody is asked.
Hmm.
Okay. We will miss or we might miss defects. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
If you are missing the defects, software quality will not be good. Got it?
Hmm.
So these are the
Yeah.
Yes.
two drawbacks of under testing.
Hmm.
So what is the over testing drawback? Time taken will be more. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Next, there is a optimizer testing. So what do you mean by optimized testing? Testing each and every component of an application by entering the data which makes sense.
Hmm.
Where it is. Okay. Got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes. Okay. Now just take this as a screenshot. Visible, no? Wait, I will
Yeah.
increase the font size. Okay, it is gone. Take the screenshot.
Hmm.
Is it possible for you to scroll up a little bit, sir? Because in my computer, I have the same problem that black text
Hmm.
box is there. If you can
You
bring
just
number.
you just minimize and again open.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
It's gone, huh?
It's still there, but I can see.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay, so now you have a time now, Prerna.
Yes, sir. 20 minutes more.
20 minutes more. You are giving time for trainer. Very good.
Sir, 10 minutes.
Huh? Okay,
Yes.
very good. Boss, you told 1 hour class. Why you are taking more?
No,
Huh?
sir. Actually, it was 1.5 hours, right?
Ah,
No.
okay. It is not done. So do your job. Huh?
No, sir. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that yes, till
Okay.
10 a.m. I can.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
So now let us go with the scenarios.
sir.
Okay, very important.
Mhm.
Test scenarios or functional testing scenarios.
Hmm.
Very easy, guys. Okay,
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
this is our job. As soon as you go to the company, you need to understand the requirement and you
Mhm.
should start writing the test scenarios. So,
Mhm.
test scenario starts from to check that or to test that or to verify that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
so to check that, okay, this is the standard format. To check that
Mhm.
or to test that or to verify that.
Mhm.
Now there is one text field. Okay, let me tell name text field only.
Mhm.
Okay, you
Mhm.
will start getting the assignments from now. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Okay.
at least 2 hours, 1.5 hours you need to spend
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
because you need to learn it. Very important.
Mhm.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
name
Right.
text field requirement says that it is a mandatory text field. Okay,
Mhm.
it should accept 4 to 15 or 25 alphabets. Alphabets BTS, correct? Huh?
Yeah.
Alphabets.
Yeah.
Yes.
It should accept, it should not accept characters.
Mhm.
Next, it should have a placeholder.
Mhm.
What placeholder? Enter your first name or enter name, something like
Mhm.
that. Okay.
Mhm.
So now I'm telling you one more thing. See here, both of you focus.
Yes, sir.
This is requirement. Okay.
Mhm.
Requirement copy is there. The
Okay.
Mhm.
requirement is divided like this.
Mhm.
One they will give to the development team.
Yes.
Okay. One
Yes,
Okay.
they
sir.
will give to the test engineers.
Mhm.
Sir, until
Mhm.
unless I will get the software, what I need
Mhm.
to do in the company?
Mhm.
Developers, what they will do, they will look into the requirement,
Mhm.
look into the requirement, and what they will do, they will
Mhm.
write the code
Mhm.
and they will do the white box testing
Mhm.
and they will compile
Mhm.
and
Compress.
compress
Mhm.
the code
Mhm.
into software.
Mhm.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right.
This is their job.
Hmm.
Parallelly, what test engineers are doing is test
Hmm.
engineers is look into the requirement,
Hmm.
okay,
Yes, sir.
writing the scenarios
Hmm.
and converting into
Hmm.
test cases.
Hmm.
What we are doing? We are converting
Converting
into
into
the
test cases.
I into. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now you are in this step, writing
Hmm.
the scenarios.
Hmm.
How to convert test scenarios into test cases? This you will learn in the test cases chapter in a detailed way.
Okay, sir.
So what developer is doing when he is looking into the requirement and writing the and doing the white box testing, you will be having so much of time.
Hmm.
You will get enough time to write the test scenarios and test cases.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Parallelly, he will compare and compress. He will give you the software. As soon as you get the software,
Hmm.
you need to execute the test cases. What you need to do?
Execute.
Execute the test cases on the software. That is your job.
Yes, sir.
Now, both developers and test engineers are working parallelly.
Hmm.
So there is a requirement for both developers and test engineers in a company.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, nowadays only automation test engineers are working. No, sir, no.
Mm-hmm.
Automation test engineer also doing manual testing. Later is doing automation testing. Got it?
Oh,
There is
Yeah.
no direct automation in this world.
oh,
Always he will only test the software by entering some values manually. Later he will write the script.
oh,
Understood? It is not like
yes,
Yeah.
directly writing the script.
oh, okay, sir.
Got it? So
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
obviously they should do the manual testing. They will be involved in writing these things. Our
Mm-hmm.
manual test engineer will write the scenarios and test cases.
Mm-hmm.
The automation test engineer will take these test cases and he will convert into automation script.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. Shut down, huh? Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. We are here.
Okay. Automation script. So this is what automation engineers are doing. So without test cases, there is no automation script. Got it?
Okay.
So without test scenarios, there is no test cases. So I am teaching you very important topic now. Okay.
Okay.
Got clarity, no?
Yes,
Now
Yeah.
sir.
just take this screenshot. I will remove this and I will teach you how to write the test cases.
Yes, sir.
Whatever I'm telling you, take the screenshot. That should be present in your notes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I'm still keeping my notes, sir. Okay. I
Yes, sir.
have done the course many years ago, but still I have a notes. Why? Because I am not a Lord Brahma to remember everything. Sometimes I will also forget. That time I will open and I will study.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you should do. Now,
Yeah.
how to
Yeah.
write the test scenarios? First
Yes, sir.
scenario, I will write
Yes.
to check that. Next, you should mention always the component name. It means name text field. To check that name text field should be a mandatory text field. Got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
And you should not use the WhatsApp language. You should use the complete spelling. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And mandatory text field, if it is better if you highlight also.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Next, this is my first scenario. Second scenario says,
Mm-hmm.
again, to check that is common.
Mm-hmm.
Understanding?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
To check that, again, name text field is also common.
Mm-hmm.
Very easy, no? Normal English.
Yes.
Right.
Should accept 4
Mm-hmm.
alphabets.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, same thing, what I'll do, I'll copy.
Mm-hmm.
I am doing same thing in a company also. To check that name text field should accept.
Mm-hmm.
4 is done. Let me take some 12. In between one word, I will take
Mm-hmm.
12 alphabets. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next, fourth one. To check that name text field should accept what is the last word? 25, no? So I will take 25 also.
Right.
Got it? What
Yes.
now? What I will do next? Since I mentioned to check that name text field should be mandatory text field, you can write, if you write this one, then no need of mentioning asterisk symbol should be present. That is a basic scenario. Okay, not required to discuss that. If next, am I missed any positive scenarios now?
Enter name is a positive scenario.
Enter
name.
What enter name? Tell me scenario.
The last.
Scenario in a proper way. Enter name, placeholder is missing. No, very good. I'm thinking to check that name text field should consist of a placeholder stating, sir, your English is too simple, sir. Yes. As a test engineer, always you should use the simple English. Sir, I studied in Oxford, sir, so I will use the standard English, sir. You are not here as a English teacher. You are here, your scenarios will be seen by Indian also, Chinese also. Understood? So they need to understand. Or somebody from somewhere, they want to analyze your whatever the scenarios, test cases. See, one company means only Indians are working or only US people are working. No. Okay, everywhere, everyone. I mean, some people from India, they are working. Some people from Australia, they are working. Some people from Abu Dhabi, they are working. Some people from California, they are working, or New York, they are working. Got it? One fellow, some. So everyone should understand means this much English is enough.
Yes, sir.
Better. So
Right.
as I see that I have covered all the scenarios according to the requirement. It is a mandatory text field. Covered.
Yes.
It should accept 4 to 25. Covered. 4 to 25. Should not
Yes, sir.
accept characters. Okay, this is negative. Should not means
Yes.
negative. So let me wait. First, let me cover all positive. It should
Yes.
it should have a placeholder. Yes, placeholder is also done. Once
Yes.
after covering all positive scenarios, later I need to go for the negative to check that name text field should not accept what alphabets? 3 alphabets. Got it?
Yeah.
So again, to check that name text field should not accept 26 alphabets. Okay. Next,
Yes.
8.1. To check that name text field should not accept special characters. Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm not blindly testing the software. Everything I'm documenting. Because why documenting? When we are doing the root cause analysis, no?
Yeah.
They will ask you what documentation, what is the proof you have? Okay, always test scenarios and test cases are the proof for the test engineers. Got it?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Okay. Next, to check that name text field should not accept what? Alpha numerics. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Like this, you can write some scenarios.
Yes, sir.
Later, the requirement is telling that it should not accept characters. Special characters I have written.
Yes.
And I need to write alphanumericals means alphabets and numbers. Alphanumericals and special characters. If you add and special characters is alphabets, numbers, special characters. And also, guys, see here, when you are entering the data, it should be in the limit only, 4 to 25 only. Should not
Okay.
means, should not whatever you are doing, that should be in the limit only. Out of the limit, if it is not working, also no use. So negative values enter inside the limit.
Yes,
Still,
sir.
it should not accept. Understood?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Am I missed any scenario? Now, now see, to check that when user name text field, when user enter the invalid data, proper error message should be displayed. Boss, I think it is you are assuming because it is not there in the requirement. Understood?
Yeah.
Oh,
So this is not there in the requirement means first you should go and speak with the seniors.
okay.
I mean your business analyst or
Yes,
your development lead or test lead.
yes, sir.
Discuss, hey boss, this is going on. Later they will only tell, okay, okay, we will take it as a consideration. We will
Oh,
speak. We will tell to the developer also. Developer, please add something. This is become a scenario. While writing the scenario, you are analyzing the requirement also. Got it? You are
yes,
doing all the
Right.
jobs. You are
yes,
so
sir.
this is how I have written the scenarios for one text field, basic text field.
Right. Right.
Similarly, assume there are many text fields like this. Got it? Now
Yes,
Right.
I showed for one of the text field.
yes,
Tomorrow
sir.
I will teach you for password and mobile number also I will teach. A button I will teach. It means components. See, this is text field you understood. Later what I will do, I will teach for password because it is
Right.
having combination of everything, no? And I will
Right.
teach for one mobile number and I will teach for checkbox and I will teach for so one of the drop down or something like that. For all the components, I will teach you how to write the test cases, test scenarios.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Understood?
Yes,
But
sir.
your duty is now I have done for one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You need to make the same thing, your assignment again.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
4 text fields. What are the anyhow you will be not having class tomorrow, no? Another Saturday. Saturday only you are having class. It means Friday evening you are having the classes.
Yes, sir.
So 4 text fields you need to write the scenarios. How to write the scenarios means you should not assume the requirement. How you need to fetch the requirement like this, whatever the data I have entered, no, entered, and I fetch some requirements. So full name text field, I can tell only alphabets it will accept and minimum one, no? Maximum 100.
Right.
If it is taking more than 100 also, you take it as 100. Write some scenarios.
Right.
It should not accept these things, alphabets, numbers, and all. So like that, 4 text field. First, you need to get the requirement for first one second assignment. No, first assignment is fetch requirement for sign up page. This is first requirement.
Okay, sir.
I told you already. One of the sign up page you take and fetch the requirements if you find any defects. Because see, when I'm teaching, no, you are
Yes,
feeling yeah, it's very easy. But
yes.
when you are trying, no, actual task will start.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So this one will be the first assignment
Okay, sir.
and this will be the second assignment.
Okay, sir.
It means 4 means at least 40 test scenarios should be ready.
Okay.
So to check that name text field, something should accept, should not accept, like that. Okay. But see,
Okay.
10th one, to check that name text field when user enter the invalid data. The sentence
Okay.
is changing. It should not like to check that name text field. should not accept invalid data, error message should be displayed. It will not make sense. When user enter or when test engine, you take when user only. Okay. This is what I will use. When user, you also you can use that. Okay.
Okay.
Got it. You take this screenshot and time is also up. You can leave the class after this. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me right away.
Yeah, I have a question.
Yeah.
I never heard this word before. Fetch.
Fetch means getting. Where is fetch? Is fetch, no?
Yeah.
Grab. Grab requirement from sign up page. Is that good word? Getting the requirement or get the requirement for sign up page. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That is English which we learn in India, ma'am.
No problem.
Yeah.
It's okay. I just want to make sure that
I
understand
that is correct. That is correct.
Yeah,
that
then
is
I
correct.
can do the homework, right? Otherwise, it's hard.
Yes.
It's okay.
So, sir, one question for the second assignment. Sir, 4 text field scenarios means like the text field can be.
This
the
is one
password.
text field. This is
Yes.
oh, what happened?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
This is one of the text fields. Similarly, there will be many text fields. No.
Yeah, like a
You find
password,
the
email ID.
Yes.
Email ID. Don't worry. I will teach. You can take password or first full name or first name or last name, username, like that. You will find many text fields. You only search. Do some research.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So you understood, right? How to write scenarios.
Yeah.
So once
Yeah.
after writing the scenarios, we should convert into test case. Then only we can execute on the software. Test scenario directly, nobody will execute on the software. Got it?
Right.
Yes, sir.
So that we can learn in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
when
Any
is the
doubts?
next class will be?
Friday evening, 9 o'clock.
In USA time?
Yes, in USA.
US one. Yeah.
Okay.
Friday evening 9 p.m. will be Saturday morning 6:30 for me.
Okay.
Yes.
So you cannot take class on Sundays, right, sir?
I can take, but see what is happening is I am little busy. Once I will done with my pending job, no, that time I can take aramse. You just refer that videos and you message me if you have any doubts. If I find the time, there only I will teach. That is also good.
Okay.
Okay. And backup classes, don't worry. I will give for the backup classes which you will not understand, which you are not understanding. Some concepts are there. You first view that videos. Okay. Check the videos.
The video you sent me today?
Yeah.
Okay. So I have one more question, sir.
Yeah.
See, we go through this class today, right? Definitely we have a note. But if we get the recording right away, and if we have any question, we can go back to the recording and do the homework. Is it possible to have a recording right away?
Right away you need a.
No, I'm just asking.
Right away is possible, but
I'm just asking if it's possible.
It is possible, but I need to check with Guruschools once. I need to ask them. Can I provide?
You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah.
We take this class today, right? And